Greetings everybody and welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to create a complete Qt application with Qt Designer. Let's start. We click on File, New File or Project. We select the Qt widget application. Now let's call the application Text Editor. Next, we select Qmake. Now we will rename the base class like this. And this time we'll take the QMain window as the main class. Remember what I told you, a QMain windows has a toolbar, a menu bar, and a status bar. So we will be using QMain window for our text editor. As kit, we will select MinJW64. Okay, this is our project. Let's go to the text editor.ui. Okay, so this is our application. First of all, what we will do is renaming the Windows title. Okay, text editor. Let's add 1.0, for example. Now, to edit the menu bar, you see where it's written type here. You just make a double click and start to edit the menu bar. Add file, open, and maybe quit. These are our two actions under the menu file. And now edit. I press enter, copy, paste, okay, this is for the menu edit, and we need another menu for the font. Let's say italic, bold, underline, yes, and then the help menu, and finally about. Okay, so this is our main window. Let's see how the application looks. Okay, this is our menu bar. Now let's add a toolbar. We just do a right click on the main window and then add toolbar. And now let's see the result. You see that this is our toolbar, but it seems like it is movable. We don't want it now. So we'll just select the toolbar and uncheck movable. Okay, it is done. Now let's quickly add few icons. Let's do a right click on the project, add new, Qt, resource file, and we'll name it data. And then inside the data, let's create a new prefix. images, and then add few images. Let's copy this icon folder and paste it here. Inside the icon folder, we add all these images and then save it. Now this is our icons. And let's add a few more actions. Okay, I'll add it later. Okay, we have our icons. And then you will add the icons to the actions. Open with double click. We double click on the action, and then we search for the icon corresponding to it. Okay, it's done. Now copy action. This is copy action. Paste action. Italic. Bold. Underline. Okay. And now let's create other action. To create an action that is not absolutely in the menu bar, you can do it here by clicking here, new action. We call it align left. Other action, align right, align center. Now let's add the icons corresponding to it. It's left, it's right, and center. Okay, it's all for our actions. Now we have the possibility to add the actions to the toolbar just by dragging and dropping. So let's drag action open. You see it is on the toolbar. Action copy, action paste, action bold, action italic, action underline. Now and okay, let's remove them first. Now, as we are at the action open, we can append a separator, okay, and then add the other actions. Appending a separator is good because it it divides the toolbar in different sections, and these sections generally refer to the number of menu that we have, italic on the line. Then the separator left, center, and then right. Let's see the result. As you can see, this is our toolbar. Now, we need a component for writing text. And in Qt, the component responsible for that is text edit. So just add, drag and drop a text edit object. Okay. So this is our text edit. Let's see the result. Okay, this is the text editor with the text edit. Now we will make the text edit fill this whole area. Remember, QMain window class has an element called central widget. So there is a function to set the central widget. Set central widget UI and text edit. Okay, so this is the text editor. How it looks like till now. You can write text. You can see that the pixel size is too low. We increase it. Let's increase it to 11. Okay. So this is a result, how to create a complete application with Qt Designer. Now, let's add some few functionalities to see how it works. I can start with this copy action. I will go to the slots. So the signals for each action is trigger, general trigger. And if the action is checkable, it's trigger ball. So from now we'll take trigger. So when the copy action is triggered, what do? We just do UI text edit copy. And now when the paste action is triggered, what do? UI text edit paste. Okay. Can check it. We select it, copy, and then paste. It's working. Good. Now next actions. Italic bold on the line. You go to the slots, triggered, UI, text editor, text edit, set font italic. True. Now action bold, action on the line. Now action bold. It was before wait, maybe. And let's see how it, it works. Now, if we select the text, then italic, underline, no, font bold is not working. Okay, set font weight. Okay, view font. Okay, bold. Okay, it's working now. Oh, let's handle the alignment. Now align left. UI. Text edit. Set alignment. Yeah, set alignment QT. Align left. So you take the same line and just change. Okay. So let's see, let's check the result. Okay, this is our text. Centering, then right, center, left. Okay, it's done. And what can I show you again? Let's implement this about thing. Okay, for the about action, we need to show a message about the software and the version. And to show that dialog box, there is a class responsible for that. The class is queue message box. You see queue box inherit Q, from come from Qt widgets module. We also have widgets module. So this is how it's implemented. So let's do the implementation. Before that, we'll include Qt message box, Q message box, sorry. And then let's just call it in our code Q message box about. Now ask us the widget, parent widget is this, our text editor, the title, about text editor, and the text to display text editor 1.0, and let's go to next line, copyright free software. Now let's check the result. Okay, you see the result. It's about your message box. Now, if you add, let's see something. Okay, let's try to add an icon to the window. I want to show you something. Okay, window icon. Let's add maybe this image as the window icon. Okay, you see the icon now. And now if you check help about, you will see your icon of the software. Now let's implement also the quick action. On quick action, you go to slot triggered. You will just call Qt, your application. Wait, okay, like this. Let's see. Okay, that's close. Now, for this action open, I'll ask you to make a bit of research to see if you can do it. But I can give you a hint. You will need to use QFile dialog class, QFile dialog in order to open text file. So there's even an example, this for image. So file name is a string. So guys, try to do it and send me feedbacks in the comment section. Well, that was all about this tutorial, how to create a complete Qt application using Qt Designer. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Thanks.